Okay, so this physics. Alright, so this is a question under simple AC circuit. And then the question says a 2 microfarad capacitor is connected directly across the 150 volt root mean square, 60 Hz AC source. Find the root mean square value of the current. So this arrow mx means the root mean square value. And what that means is the steady current that flows out in the circuit. So it's okay. I hope you understand it. Yes. Alright. So the root mean square value of the current. Then B, the value of current. So there are two different things here entirely. So what we're going to do here is this. Now to solve this equation, question that we have here, we're going to be looking at what first, to get the root mean square value of the current, we need to find capacitive reactance. A capacitive reactance, is defined as the opposition to the flow of an AC current offered by a capacitor. So that's what a capacitive reactance is all about. And then solution. So I'm going to write out of the value. So I have a capacitor, which is capacitor is equal to 2 microfarad, and then we also have our voltage is equal to 150 volts. So these are the two things given to us. And then we also have frequency F is equal to 60 Hz. Now to solve this, I need to find this, which is this is equal to 1 over 2 pi L4C. So this is the formula for capacitive reactance. Now from V equals to what? I what? XC. So which this I becomes for the root mean square value of what we're looking for. Now to do that is I'm going to have 1 over 2 pi times 60 times bracket 2 times 10 raised to the power minus 6 ohms. So this is what we have here. Now, if you divide this by this, now this 2 pi times 60 times 2 times 10 raised to the power minus 6. If you divide this by this, you are going to have capacitance is equal to 1324.4 ohms. So based on the calculator, so if you press your calculator, this is what we're going to have, 1324.4 ohms. Now this or that. Now but the question says the root mean square value of the current. So I'm going to have V equals to what? IXC. So I want to make this I the subject of the formula. That becomes I equals to V root mean square all over XC, which is equals to 150. So 150, let me write it correctly.